Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect iCloud photos to Windows using iCloud for Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading iCloud for Windows from the official Apple website. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. After installation, launch iCloud for Windows from your computer. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If prompted, enter the two-factor authentication code sent to your trusted device. Once logged in, you will see several options available for iCloud services. Locate the checkbox for iCloud Photos and make sure it is checked. Click the Options button next to the iCloud Photos checkbox. In the new window, choose whether you want to download new photos and videos to your PC automatically. You can also select the option to upload new photos and videos from your PC to iCloud. Once you have made your selections, click Done to save the settings. Next, click Apply at the bottom of the iCloud for Windows window. iCloud will now sync your photos between your Apple devices and your Windows PC. To view your synced photos, in the left sidebar, click on iCloud Photos. Here, you can access your photos and videos that are stored in iCloud. If you chose the option to upload photos, simply drag and drop files into this folder. iCloud will automatically upload these files to your iCloud account. This process may take some time, depending on the number of files being uploaded or downloaded. Return to iCloud for Windows anytime to manage your settings or check your sync status. That's how you can connect iCloud photos to Windows using iCloud for Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.